Are you looking to remove your Telegram wallet to ensure your crypto assets are secure? In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to disconnect your wallet from Telegram effectively. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access your settings. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on the three horizontal lines on your profile picture in the top left corner. Step 2. Locate the wallet option. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the wallet option. Tap on it to access your wallet settings. Step 3. Remove the wallet from the menu. Once you are in the wallet settings, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots and you will see an option that says remove from menu. Selecting this will remove the wallet from your main menu, but it does not delete your wallet or its contents. Step 4. Consider complete deletion. If you're looking to completely delete your wallet, you may need to remove any link services like ton space. However, be aware that complete deletion might not be straightforward and could require additional steps depending on your setup. Conclusion. And there you will have it. You have successfully removed your Telegram wallet from the app. Always remember to ensure that any crypto assets are safely transferred to a secure location before making changes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy trading!